I want to change the column names but in a dynamic way in Power Query. I mean, when I will add a new column, the column name will change automatically. Here, the date column name will remain unchanged. So let me change this column name. As the amount is in million, so I will mention M within round bracket. If I commit this step, you can see the column name has been changed and it has generated a code, and the function is table.rename columns, and I will use this function later. Here, this is my old column name and this is my new column name, and obviously this is hard coded, and this is actually a nested list. This is my outer list and this is my inner list. So I have to create a dynamic nested list and paste it here. At the beginning, I will extract the column name. So first, let me delete this step. I'll click on fx. Here I will write the function which is table.columnnames. If I use the beginning and close bracket and press enter, now I have the column names but as a list. Now I will transform this list and add the new column name. So I will use transform, which is list.transform function, and the first argument is list as a list. I have already the list, comma. Here second argument is transform as a function. I will use each. If I use the underscore within the curly bracket and close the bracket, press enter, each item of the list has been transformed into a list. So here I have two lists. This is actually my outer list and this is my inner list. So I have to add a new item for new column name in each inner list. Now I will use comma and add my new column name. New column name will be my previous item and concatenate with M value. I will give a space within the inverted comma. If I press enter and click on this space, you can see this is my old column name and this is my new column name. If I click on the second list, you can see this is sales and this is sales M. As I don't want to change the date column name, so here I will use if function. If the item of the list is equal to date, then the result will also be date, else the column name will change. Here I have to write the underscore, which is the each item of the list. If I press enter and click on this space, you can see the date column name has not been changed. And if I click on the second list, is my sales, which is my older column name, and this is my new column name. Now I will change the step name. The step name I'll write call name. Here I will use the function rename, which is table.rename columns bracket. The first argument is table as a table, so I will refer the table which is change type because this step contains the table, and my earlier step which is call name contains list, comma, and the second argument is rename as a list, so I'll call my earlier step which is call name. If I close the bracket and press enter, now you can see all the column names have been changed except date column name. Now I will load this table into Excel. I will use the option existing worksheet and select a cell where I will put my table. If I click on OK, now the table has been loaded. I will add a new column here. The column name will be, for example, target. I will save this and refresh my table, and you can see the column name has been changed. I hope you like this video. Thank you.